Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to transfer your Gardenscapes data to your new phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone. If you haven't already, go ahead and open it up on your mobile phone where you already have your data that you want to transfer to your new phone. So after opening up the application, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, as you can see, Gardenscapes, where you can go ahead and get started playing. So guys, what we want to do to be able to transfer our data to a new phone is click the Save Progress option right here. As you can see, under Play, there is a section that says Save Progress. You want to go ahead and click on that and save your progress. So guys, after saving your progress, it's going to be ahead and saved to your account. Maybe if you logged in with Facebook or Google, doesn't matter. It's going to go ahead and be saved to your account. So what you want to do now is go ahead and download and open up Gardenscapes on your new phone. And there, when you open it up, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this same screen, but it won't say save progress. It will be saying load progress, because you will be able to load your progress. So log in to your account that you used, and then you'll be able to successfully transfer your data to a new phone. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.